Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting news coming straight from China's tech giant, Huawei. In just 1 week, Huawei has taken the laptop market by storm with the launch of 2 brand new HarmonyOS-powered PCs, and the response has been nothing short of extraordinary. Huawei officially released 2 new laptops under its HarmonyOS ecosystem, the MateBook Pro and the show-stopping MateBook Fold Ultimate Design. And get this, over 170,000 pre-orders have already been placed across these 2 devices. That's a huge number in just a week. Now here's the real kicker. 125,000 of those pre-orders belong to just one device, the foldable MateBook Fold Ultimate Design. That alone tells you how much attention this unique, innovative form factor is getting. So what's driving all this buzz? Let's break it down. First off, HarmonyOS itself is playing a huge role. This is Huawei's self-developed operating system, built to be independent of foreign tech restrictions and to unify devices like smartphones, tablets, wearables, and now PCs under one seamless ecosystem. It's fast, intelligent, and designed for productivity and AI-powered experiences. Consumers in China are showing a clear interest in trying something different, something not based on Windows or Mac OS. And HarmonyOS on laptops is offering just that. It's fresh, it's fast, and it integrates smoothly with Huawei's other devices. But the hardware is just as compelling. Let's talk about the MateBook Fold Ultimate Design, a foldable laptop that combines sleek aesthetics with futuristic functionality. Its form factor is a huge leap forward. When unfolded, it transforms into a large tablet-style screen, and when folded, it becomes a compact notebook, perfect for on-the-go professionals and tech enthusiasts. This device is pushing the boundaries of what a laptop can look and feel like. It's not just about being unique, it's about being useful. Imagine working on a large canvas that folds right into your bag. No doubt this is one of the reasons why it's catching so much attention. Now let's zoom in on why this launch is bigger than just tech specs. This launch also holds symbolic importance for China's technological independence. According to a recent CCTV broadcast, these HarmonyOS laptops are being seen as a major step towards China's self-reliance in the tech space, especially amid ongoing tensions with the US. Huawei is now building both the hardware and the software in-house. The HarmonyOS laptops use self-developed chips, along with the HarmonyOS operating system, showing that Huawei is working hard to reduce its dependence on US technologies, and Chinese consumers are recognizing that. Many buyers are expressing pride in these products, seeing them as a milestone for the local tech industry. Some are even hopeful that this is the beginning of a larger movement where China will lead in both chip design and software innovation. One customer was quoted as saying that they are eagerly awaiting the moment China truly breaks through in chip technology, and that the current momentum proves that US sanctions are becoming ineffective. It's not just national pride, it's a real shift in consumer trust and preferences. People are now choosing HarmonyOS PCs not just because they're different, but because they're better aligned with their vision for the future of tech. So what does this mean for Huawei and the global market? Well, this could mark the beginning of a new era. If these pre-order numbers are any indication, Huawei may have found a winning formula. Create attractive, high-performance hardware, pair it with a homegrown OS, and appeal to a sense of innovation and independence. The fact that a foldable PC is leading the charge is even more impressive. It's proof that consumers are not afraid to embrace change, especially when that change offers more flexibility, creativity, and efficiency. Huawei's next challenge will be global expansion. Right now, these HarmonyOS PCs are gaining massive traction in China. But if Huawei can navigate regulatory hurdles and international demand, we might see these foldable laptops popping up worldwide. In the end, Huawei's new HarmonyOS PCs are not just about performance, they're about possibility. Possibility of a future where users have more choices, where ecosystems are built with freedom in mind, and where innovation isn't tied down by politics. To wrap things up, Huawei has hit a home run with the MateBook Pro, and especially the MateBook Fold Ultimate Design. With over 170,000 pre-orders and counting, it's clear that consumers are not just interested, they're excited, and who knows? This might just be the beginning of something much bigger. That's all for today's video. If you found this update interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Would you consider switching to a foldable HarmonyOS PC? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.